Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. Most everybody's heard about Bitcoin. What you think about Bitcoin is you think of this volatile investment, cryptocurrency. People argue, is it really a currency? And when you hear blockchain, you associate it with Bitcoin because blockchain is the technology behind it. It's cryptographic, it's encrypted, and it's what allows there to be trust. You trust that that investment is going to be there, that crypto is going to be there, that when someone transfers you money, it's on the public blockchain and that it's guaranteed that you're going to get it. But how do you associate that with mortgages? Well, of course, some people have been focused on that for a while now. And what they found is really interesting to me. Now, let's say you close on your mortgage and all your data for that mortgage is put on a blockchain. Well, remember, the blockchain is public. So let's use Ethereum as an example. Put on the Ethereum blockchain and everybody's going to see all your information. They're going to see your credit scores. They're going to see your social security number, your date of birth. And you can't do that because of privacy laws. So this one company thought, what if we create a private hash, or a public hash, I should say, with private information all built into it? So what happens is let's say you close on this mortgage and you put it on the blockchain. You put all that borrower's information on the blockchain, but the only thing that you could see is a hash, which is a series of letters and numbers, and it's encrypted, it's cryptographic, it's crypto. That hash is what you would use if someone's going to buy that loan or this group of loans. You give them access to the hash. Now they can review everything that's in there. And they can say, yes, we're going to go ahead and we're going to buy these loans. This is actually being done already. There's one bank that's doing it. It's for non-QM and jumbo loans. It's not for conventional loans. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, FHFA have not jumped on board with this. It's going to take some time. When they do, I think it's going to be huge. And I say when, mainly because the biggest aspect of it is the savings that they found per mortgage is 1.17%. That's huge. Not 1.17% off the rate, but off the pricing, off the cost of the loan. If your rate is 3%, drop 1.17% in price, in cost, you're talking a 2.75 rate, maybe a 2.625 rate. That's huge. It's a huge savings. Maybe the borrower's not going to get all that savings. Maybe the mortgage companies are going to absorb some of that. But either way, it's big to see this potential of this technology in the future being something that could save people money. Not only save people money, but let's think about what happened in 2008 when the market crashed. If you ever heard of MERS, M-E-R-S, which is a mortgage electronic recording systems, it's something that I have to do when we close a loan. We transfer MERS to the lender that we're selling it to, and all this. So there was a huge debacle when the market crashed, and people's documents were lost. MERS was sued. A lot of these attorneys that did foreclosure defense work went up against MERS and went up against all types of things with the lenders that were supposedly missing documents. And it was a big part of the foreclosure crash, that whole debacle. So this would eliminate all of that. Eliminate all of it, save money. It's all going to be on the blockchain. It's an amazing technology. When I heard this, I had the little emoji with the head blowing up. Yep, that was me. Because just thinking of the future of this technology and what it can mean for the mortgage industry. Everything in the mortgage industry right now is about speed and technology. So if you're not closing fast, if you're not using the best technology, I made a video on how UWM, United Wholesale Mortgage, my favorite lender, it just created Bolt, which is where you can underwrite without a human underwriter looking at it. You input all the documentation, and in 15 minutes you have an underwriting decision. It's all about technology. That's the future of the mortgage business, and blockchain is coming. So for those of you that think that blockchain is only cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and this volatile asset group, it is, but it's also technology behind each and every one of those cryptos. So do your research, learn more about it. Mortgage Nerd out.